Greetings, Chris Feola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. We're going to continue working on building some marketing and design materials for Feola Factory. Last week we tried DALL-E 2 with not much joy. This week we're going to try both tightening up the prompt and moving to Adobe Firefly. I like Adobe products in general, and I've had good luck with Firefly in the past. So let's see how this goes here. So we're going to click in here and see. We'll keep that whimsical steampunk inspired beginning of this. Speed, graphic, camera. Let's see what that comes up with. We don't need a tour right now. Let's go away. Well, those are kind of interesting, don't you think? That's let's see. I like the square aspect ratio. Curious. Let's see if we change this to photo, what that does. Or maybe that's just for the generation. That's I kind of like the art. Yeah, I do like these. This one's a little more speed graphic-y. I like the lens on this one. Gonna upvote both of those. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can just add onto, let's see, can I? Take this one. You want to save that. Yes, let's have 10,000 props here. Okay. I'm going to save the other one too here while we're at it. But I was wondering if I can start this with a, let's try use as a style reference there. And now add to this prompt. On a steampunk workbench. You notice I'm not adding any logo or type or ooh. Yeah, okay, those are 4 pretty good ones. I especially like that we've got the we got the flap under here for the fold out type speed graphic lens, and we've gone to a more, this is a little Leica-ish. A little Mamiya press maybe. Yeah, I'm exceedingly happy with all of these. You'll notice that I didn't try any logos or anything else with that. I've pretty much given up trying to have type on any sort of quote unquote AI large language model image generating tools, because it always messes it up in a way that it's difficult to deal with. But I can see each of these having a possibility of bringing them into Photoshop and working them up. So we'll see where we can get with those next week. In the meantime, well, this is, I think, a lot more successful than our first attempts. Hope you have a great week. Feola out.